Yeah. So here we go. So what's your name?
Kyle, and I'm just going to show you how to sharpen the chisel here. Yeah. Just going to take it.
So that one we've missed. I didn't record that. What did we do to that?
Oh, yeah, we just slammed into that plane
whacked
blade.
it onto this.
So it isn't even sharp.
No,
it isn't
not
sharp.
at all.
So now the first thing you want to do is take the backing off tool and flatten the back. Turn it over.
We'll just with
So
this.
you're going to put it down
Concentric
flat.
circles, Carl. Come on.
So removing that burr, because that was.
That was a hell of a burr.
Thank you. So and you are?
Sam.
Sam. Thank you, Sam. That's it.
I was thinking of giving a fake name then. Oh, look at that. I'll tell you, that's a bit better than my just wet stone.
So you did. When did you learn that? Was that? Oh yes, of course you came this morning, wasn't you?
Yeah.
No, Carl's just...
Oh, with Ruby. Oh.
How long should I give it?
Have a check. Take it out now and just check it.
I mean, that looks pretty sharp already.
Let's have a look. Let me see. I'll be able to judge on this. That's pretty sharp. Can I have a go?
That's so cool.
Go on, let me have a go.
Yeah?
Alright. Well, let me try and
I
chop
think you
it.
should video them messing it up.
Yeah, that's what you want. You want to take it badly. So like that.
No,
So-
like hitting
so-
the chisel.
Yeah. So
So
no, draw back.
centre this.
Put in. Thank. Oh, my new
Right,
instructor.
right, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
So
instruct.
this is
Have
in
you
the
seen
middle.
that one as
And
well,
then you need
Sam?
to gently put it better with your thumb. Oh, well, that's it, perfect. And then you need to tap on this. Push the chisel towards the green bit. That's it. Not too hard, and then do it forwards and backwards.
No,
too
you're
hard.
all right.
I think-
Not to be
I think-
guide off.
I think you're pressing too hard.
Maybe I'm just too big. That's what it is.
I think you're
So
heavy-handed.
In the centre.
Yeah.
I think you're putting too much force through it.
Am I just too big? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
To be fair, that's pretty sure. Let's have a look. Oh, wait, I haven't cut properly.
Yeah, that's good.
That's pretty sharp, isn't it?
It's so quick as well.
Thank you. Yeah.
What's that? Could be sharper then, couldn't it?
Well, I don't think I'm doing it
What's
properly.
what stone's in it at the moment?
Yeah, what's the